Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can request access to Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. If you need to request access to a Shopify store, either as a collaborator or as a new staff member, there are different processes depending on your role. So here's how you can do it. First way is requesting access to as a collaborator. Shopify provides a special access method for Shopify partners to work on a store without using up the store's staff account. This is called collaborator access. In order to do that, create a Shopify partner account, go to the Shopify partner program page and sign up. Go to the Shopify partner dashboard. Once logged in, visit the partner dashboard. Request a collaborator access. In your partner dashboard, click stores on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Store, select Manage Store, enter the Shopify store URL of the store you want to access, select the permission you need, and click on Save to send collaborator access request. And then all you need to do is wait for approval. Requesting access as a staff member. If you are an employee or a team member who needs access to manage a Shopify store, you will need a request access from the store owner directly. The store owner or someone with admin permission must add you as a staff member. In order to do that, contact the store owner. You will need to ask the store owner to invite you as a staff member. Store owner adds you as a staff member. The store owner will follow these steps. Go to Settings in the Shopify admin, click Users and Permissions, click Add Staff, enter your email address and select the permissions you need, and click on Send Invite. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.